Good evening, dear student. Today we are discussing about the next chapter, our environment, class 10th NCRT. Last time we completed the heredity chapter and all basic video as well as teaching video we uploaded this channel. Now today we are discussing about our next chapter, our environment. In our environment, in this chapter, our environment, our environment. Basically, this chapter generally consists of some basic thing: biotic component, abiotic component, ecosystem, food chain, food web, biomagnification, global warming. These are the number of basic concepts included in this chapter, our environment. So what is the meaning of our environment? Our environment, that is the surrounding environment present. So here the word ecosystem. What is the meaning of eco? Eco meaning is what? Environment, system, management, environment, management, ecosystem. In this ecosystem is the basic unit of ecology. Ecosystem is the basic unit of ecology. Ecosystem is basic unit of ecology. What is the meaning of ecology? Environment, logy, study, environment study. So here the word what we writing here, environment study, eco, environment, logy. What is their meaning? Study. So here ecology. The ecosystem is the basic unit of ecology. What is the meaning of ecology? Environment study. In this environment study, what is their basic meaning? The basic meaning of the ecology is what? Interaction between living and non-living thing. Interaction between living and non-living thing and non-living things. Living things present our surrounding area. It is called environment or the ecosystem. Now ecosystem generally consists of the living thing and the non-living thing. So which of the living thing in the ecosystem? First is plant, second microorganism, and the third is animal. The third is what? Animal. So this is what? This living component of the ecosystem or the part of the ecosystem. But what is the meaning of non-living factor? Non-living things present in the environment is what? Soil, light, water. So this is the basic, like the ecosystem, basic unit present in the ecosystem. Now ecosystem is basically two types. Here types of ecosystem. What is the meaning of types of the ecosystem? Basically ecosystem is a two type. The first type is what? Natural ecosystem. Natural ecosystem. The ecosystem operated by nature. The ecosystem operate by nature. The ecosystem operate by nature is called natural ecosystem. So what is the example of natural ecosystem? Here example example of the natural ecosystem is what? Pond, river, ocean, lake, desert. So this is the basic like the natural ecosystem, the basic example of the natural ecosystem. But the next is what? Artificial ecosystem. Second word, artificial ecosystem. Artificial, the ecosystem which is operated by man. The ecosystem operate human by human is called as what? Artificial ecosystem. The ecosystem which is operated by the human beings. What is their example? Example is what? First example, crop field. Example here. Example, crop field. Crop field. It is the first example. Next example, what we write here? That is the garden. Gardens is the next example of ecosystem. The third example, aquarium. Aquarium. So the ecosystem which is operated by the man, that is called as artificial ecosystem. Now, on the basis of duration, ecosystem is also classified again into the two types. On the basis of duration, on the basis of duration, the ecosystem is again classified into the two types. The first type is what? Temporary ecosystem. Temporary ecosystem. Temporary ecosystem. So temporary ecosystem, which part generally include? So the ecosystem is short life. The ecosystem is short lived. The ecosystem in short life, yeah, like they occur in very much small time. So what is the example of the short life ecosystem? Example, rain fed pond. Rain fed pond is the example of short yet temporary ecosystem. Now what is the next example of temporary ecosystem? They also include the culture of protozoa. So this is the temporary ecosystem. Now the next type, the second type is what? The second type here, permanent ecosystem. Permanent ecosystem. Permanent ecosystem. What is their meaning? The ecosystem become a permanent. They cannot be damaged or they survive long time. So what we write in definition here? The ecosystem is long life. That is called as a permanent ecosystem. So what is the example of this permanent ecosystem? Example, forest, river, desert. So this is the permanent ecosystem. Now we are again classify the ecosystem on the basis of their size, on the basis of their size. The ecosystem become the two type. The first is what? First is small ecosystem. Small ecosystem. Small ecosystem, what we writing here the word, that is the micro ecosystem. Micro ecosystem. Micro ecosystem, what we writing the definition here, the ecosystem is small in size. The ecosystem is small in size. That is the small ecosystem. What we write the example of small ecosystem? Example pond. Second example second example flower pot. Flower pot is the another example. Now last, this next ecosystem is what? Large ecosystem. Large ecosystem. What is the meaning of large ecosystem? Their another name, macro ecosystem. Macro ecosystem. Macro large, micro small. The ecosystem is large in size. What do we write the definition? The ecosystem is large in size. Large in size. What we writing there? Example. Example here. First, forest, desert, ocean. So this is the example of the large ecosystem. So here we are writing, today we are discussing about the first, that is the environment, our environment. What is the basic environment? Ecology is the basic unit. Now we are also discuss the types of ecosystem, natural ecosystem, artificial ecosystem. On the basis of their duration, we classify the two types, temporary, permanent ecosystem. On the basis of size, we also divide small and large ecosystem. So this is all about the introduction of our environment. Tomorrow's lecture we discuss the component of ecosystem and food chain. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.